Good morning, traders. Alla on November 7th. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8. Pure price for entry, Alpha Fibonacci for exits. Software identified that ball green line is the ultimate buy point. Software also identified that this would be war zone in front of you. Why? It's called target RZ. So here we go. When price is pulling back, it's a stunning reminder of trading with the rules, not speculating, not gambling. Software is a phenomenal tool. Our students in US and more than 50 countries rave about this phenomenal tool that shows you simplicity and purity. And when you remember how crucial and critical this moment is, you understand bullish move remains intact, but entering into this level is not a brilliant idea. Adjusting your trail extremely close and monitoring for exit at this level is a brilliant move. Because again, it's all about your trading range. And when you understand that it all depends on the response at this level, bullish move remains intact. Again, pure price for entry, Alpha Fibonacci for exits. With your brilliant brain and your brilliant effort, this is phenomenal tool traded in US and globally on futures, oil, Nasdaq, Dow, S&P, anything you choose. You can use the software when it comes to scanner and stunning and flawless reminder. Know where to exit your long. Do not speculate, do not gamble. Do not stress yourself out. Remember, simplicity is the most important part in life and in trading. To the downside, price will be testing this level. But again and again and again, we identified all of this with our brilliant traders. If price is struggling at this level, it's because this morning buyers are firmly in charge. No speculation, no gambling here. Ultimate precision during extremely choppy market conditions. That's it. And when you understand with your brilliant brain that this is critical level this morning, doesn't matter what chart you choose to trade. Doesn't matter if it's 5, if it's 10, if it's tick chart, any chart you choose to trade, this is a critical key level to the downside this morning. That's it. No software required here. This is the software. Choice is yours. Do you want to trade with software on day trading futures? Or do you want to trade any instrument you choose? Absolutely up to you. Alpha Fibonacci system can be traded across all instruments. The event in front of you right now on S&P is a stunning reminder. When sellers are weak, do not ever ignore this level. Again, response at this level this morning is key. Again, in front of you, I project the software on 1-minute chart. Trade on very different chart, but so you can see precision instantly. This is flawless reminder. Do not ever buy red zone. Do not ever gamble with your money. Remember, simplicity is a key to a beautiful life. Simplicity is a key to consistent trading. That's it. This is your trading range. And if you understand how critical this moment is, you understand the importance of knowing how to trade narrow trading range. Price can do this for hours and hours and hours. Bullish rally on S&P overextended. It started since Thursday afternoon. If this level remains intact, the buyers remain fully in charge. We identified all of this with my brilliant students this morning. That's it. Nothing else is possible. Only this. No random targets, no random stops, no random anything. Ultimate precision during extremely choppy market conditions. But if I bring to your attention Apple, this is the event right now. I constantly remind to my traders, not everyone meant to be a day trader, but anyone can trade system long term. How Apple collapsed breathtakingly from this level spelled out the weakness of the buyers. But again, if I take you back on Apple to the month of August 1st, this was Apple, reminding you when bullish rally overextended, remember where to exit your long. And how Apple collapsed was flawless and spectacular. Absolutely no gambling here. Limited trading range on Apple. Collapse from 175, absolutely expected. And how Apple found buyers and tested this level, confirmed weakness on the buyer's side. All in advance, never after the fact. So here's Apple on November 7th, testing key support to the downside. Intelligent trader understands, move is down on Apple. But there is a reason Apple taking a pause here. Exact same reason you saw with the software for futures. That's it. No speculation, no gambling here. Not the place to buy. Simple. Again, price remains stuck very close to the bold green line. Intelligent trader understands this extremely well. So again, ladies and gentlemen, this were Intelligent Trader exit shorts. There is no surprise, all precise. Price reached green zone. So if the price keeps reversing between these two levels, Intelligent Trader would not be surprised. We are in extremely limited trading range. It's not conservative trading by any means this morning. Choppy markets require ultimate skills, your ultimate discipline, your ultimate brain power. Overextended rallies, the most challenging markets to trade. That's it. And that's precision of the software during very choppy market conditions. And that's the importance of obeying the rules and not to gamble and not to speculate and not to short bold green zone. Instead, remember to exit your short. Have you done that? If yes, you are intelligent trader. If not, you are trigger happy cowboy. 90% of traders who come to me been struggling for many years. The moment you remove junky delayed indicators, you start seeing the power of the price. I recognized that in 2008 that every single instrument has identical price. So why in the world would you block the price with delayed indicators that build after the price makes move? It's only the sign of insecurity. It's a security blanket when all the answers found only inside yourself. And when you start recognizing that you are a limitless human being who can trade with rules, the sky's the limit. Because at the end of the day, this is the most important prize. pure price for entry, and Alpha Fibonacci for exit. It's in front of you during extremely choppy market conditions, again and again and again. You will never need anything else. Doesn't matter if you trade Apple or Bitcoin or pound or US dollar or oil or any instrument. Choice is yours. You decide what you want to trade. Again, we continue dealing with very limited trading range. Euro testing key level in front of you now. This causing a major problem on euro. Major. But again, if I would take you back on euro a year ago, if day trading is not for you, use Alpha Fibonacci system on trading Forex. Look at the charts once an hour, once a day, once every 4 hours. This was the start of sell-off on euro. You understand extremely well. Crash is on, euro moves one step at a time. Euro reached critical key level identified years in advance. Here is euro from the trading room from 2016. Price spelled out 105 is lifeline on euro. Euro heading to 87 cents. Absolutely stunning reminder. Day trading not for everyone. Use system long term. You are a limitless human being. 94 cents is out, 88 cents to follow. This is a chart on euro present in this trading room for years. Bitcoin. Poor, poor, poor El Salvador. Put the entire economy of the country on buying Bitcoin. With the power of the system you knew to exit Bitcoin here. Price moves one step at a time. Here's Bitcoin before the crash exactly a year ago in October 2021. Breaks my heart to get the phone calls. I wish I listened to you. Catastrophic collapse on crypto. Whatever happening on crypto now, where Bitcoin collapsed 70% up, this will be war zone on crypto now. Pull back from this level. 12,000 is a lifeline on Bitcoin. 12,000 is out, 600 to follow. So if you're holding Bitcoin until 100,000, good luck on that one. This is ultimate weakness on Bitcoin after catastrophic crash. Despite global crypto convention in Miami, Bitcoin collapsed 70%. So this is a guy who can afford to lose 6 billion on Bitcoin in one day, who's been hyping Bitcoin on every single podcast. 10 years ago, he said Bitcoin is a scam, and then he changed his mind about 4 years ago. And more he hyped, more money average human has lost. So all of the celebrities losing a fortune, being penalized by SEC. So more and more penalties coming ahead. My heart goes to everyone who is using news and hype to invest money. The only thing that's safe is your brilliant brain and your brilliant effort. If trading on the hype worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. It never does. Here's another gambler who dumped 1.1 billion on long on Netflix. Let's take a look on Netflix. and how Alpha Fibonacci Trader trades Netflix. Exiting long where Aikman bought Netflix. I'm taking you back to October 2021. This is Netflix in Alpha Fibonacci Trading Room. Here we are. Netflix before the crash. When Aikman announces to the world he's putting $1 billion trade on Netflix, we're laughing with my students, we're discussing. It's not a brilliant move. Brilliant move, too short, not to buy Netflix. Bitcoin collapsed in exact same way. And Netflix collapsed in exact same way as Bitcoin. Two spectacular crashes. Breathtaking. 70% collapse. So what you're witnessing this morning across multiple stocks should not be surprised. All of the bullish moves are junky. This is Lifeline on Netflix. Lifeline on Netflix next. 200 level. Ouch. So please do not speculate. Do not be a trading cowboy. Use your brilliant brain. You are limitless human being. If you can drive, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system across all instruments. And that's what we will be discussing in the live class next. Because if 14-year-old can trade after two classes, so can anyone. Dominic loves trading the system on Dow and S&P mini futures. But his father Andy has zero interest in day trading. His father Andy manages multi-million-dollar portfolio with Alpha Fibonacci system, reporting consistent profits this brutal year when average fund is down about 80%. That's it. No speculation, no gambling here. Richard chooses to trade system with options. Jennifer, with two little babies on her hands, her husband Emmanuel brought her to the course, trading Nasdaq. What you will decide to trade, absolutely up to you. Choice is yours. It never gets old to see what is possible when you play by the rules. Then trading system long term on S&P. CO trading Forex and crypto. He doesn't need to come to classes from Melbourne, but he still does. 2 o'clock in the morning. Choice is yours. What you choose to trade. Alpha Fibonacci system applies to every instrument. Traded by traders from 14 to 90 plus year old. So if you're joining us, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. You can always sign up with the invitation to the trading room, and please review the details on the homepage. You can trade system across all platforms, all instruments, or day trade with software for Ninja Trader 8. Every single one of these traders trades different instruments. View students' emails I receive from US and more than 50 countries. If these traders can do it, so can you. You can trade crypto and Forex. You can day trade futures. You can trade options. You are a limitless human being. When you focus on pure price, you will be amazed what's possible if you play by the rules. when the skies are the limit. That's it. Simply come to live classes, and if you cannot attend, enjoy 300 videos plus from prior live recorded classes. Currently, I have only one spot available for private mentoring, which includes all live classes, video library, modules, and trading room. Savings of $8,000 plus. Second option is the most popular option. Group course with lifetime software for Ninja 8, video library, modules, live classes included. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. Let's take a break. We'll come back and review, and after the break, we're off to the live class. So if you're signing up right now, you'll be joining us in the live class, and you will see that you will never, ever, ever need any other system, any other indicator ever again. Pure price for entry and alpha Fibonacci for exit. System applies to all instruments, all time frames, and can be traded across all platforms, or again with software for Ninja 8.